The Smoothie Diet, as a 21-day program, promises not only rapid weight loss, but also an improvement in overall health. But can such a simple approach really work? Let's delve into the science behind it. Veggie smoothies, in particular, have several benefits that can contribute to weight loss. Low in calories. Vegetables are naturally low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a great choice for weight-conscious individuals. High fiber content. Fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy calorie-laden foods. Hydration. Many vegetables have a high water content, which contributes to overall hydration and can curb false hunger pangs. Nutrient density. When you consume nutrient-dense foods, your body receives essential vitamins and minerals without excess calories, which can aid in weight management. The role of smoothies in weight loss. Smoothies can be a convenient way to include these nutrient-dense ingredients in your daily diet. They provide a quick and easy method of consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables, especially for those with busy lifestyles. The program helps ensure that weight loss goals are met and maintained. Diabetes and veggie smoothies. For individuals with type 2 diabetes, incorporating veggie smoothies into their diet can be beneficial. The program encourages the consumption of whole, fresh ingredients that may help stabilize blood sugar levels. 60-day money-back guarantee. Perhaps one of the most attractive features of the Smoothie Diet is the 60-day money-back guarantee. This assures customers that if the program doesn't meet their expectations, they can request a full refund. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.